Bro, don't even bother, man.
Shark Bridge.
I could do better than that. I could do better than that. I could do better than that. I could do better than that, nigga. Yeah. In my new shit, bitch, I'm ready for the transfer. Been making begrudging, even being schizophrenic. Missing all the hell horse days like shit. Almost 3 years since I dropped that shit. Now I'm lost as fuck, I admit, not perfect. I feel all the change just worth it. Take it or leave it, can't be a puppet. I would go ape shit, this time second degree. Perception is fucked up, I'm not gonna let up. I fumble, I get up, now back to momentum. I'ma go buckles, it won't try to stop me. Misusing my patience, go tripping without you. My God, with a life, just a little sarcasm. But they could've hit me, feel trapped in the plasma. Gotta provide, so yes, I'm playing catch up. 10 years strong and I still will not let up. In my new shit, 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 in my new shit. In my new shit, 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 in my new shit. In my new shit, in my new shit.
Bro, don't even bother, man. I'm talking. Don't talk at me. Talk at them. Stop thinking I don't understand your irritation. I'm talking to a wall. They're the ones confused.
In my new shit, in my new shit.
Shift their perspective. They're the ones confused. Not me. And not the rest.
Bro, don't even bother me.
Sorry if I catch you trying to argue with the wall again. Sorry if I catch you trying to argue with the wall again. I'm sending you to the mental ward, fully restricted and in restraint. I've been hearing. Stop thinking I don't understand your irritation. Don't talk at me, talk at them. Shift their perspective. They're the ones confused, not me, and not the rest of us.
Starting to hate Sybyr, starting to hate the change. I am a gemstone, I need that nigga in pain. Stop it, I hate seeing new things. We just need to hear more strain. Better not look for attention. On the ground, please rub, man. Nigga, you sound the same. If I'm like that, I'm shooting my brains. If that is what you think my intention is, you'll just have a hard time with life and things. All of that weird ideology, we do not share this philosophy. You really don't know me quite honestly, so fuck I look like, give apologies. No dwelling back, that's the policy. No dwelling shit, that's the policy. They're still trying to stifle back. I'm done playing, I'll burn off your neck. King of enigma finesse. When you name drop my name, the respect. Nowadays I'm flowing through with these beats. I'm going low harder, my energy creeping. I'm taking the leaping, got more for these seasons. I'm not letting up cause these fucks are the reason. Get mad and block me, but trying to stop me will cause some good friction. So I got no feelings. Said I was making whatever, whenever. You not being clever, your smart ass get severed. Chillin' the bass and live life in the cages. My music not for you, it's there for you attainment. I said I'm the plan, the message delaying. So I gotta keep saying, shit is annoying. I said I'm done playing, the message delaying. So I gotta keep saying, shit is annoying. I said I'm done playing, the message delaying. So I gotta keep saying, shit is annoying. I said I'm done playing, the message delaying. So I gotta keep saying, shit is annoying. You thought I was dumb, nowhere to turn. How long will you run? With all of these dummies speaking some theories, why I'm mysterious? Because we do this shit without no damn management. Shit is annoying. You thought I was dumb, nowhere to turn. How long will you run? With all of these dummies speaking some theories, why I'm mysterious? Because we do this shit without no damn management. Shit. I said I'm the plan, the message delaying. So I gotta keep saying, shit is annoying. I said I'm done playing, the message delaying. So I gotta keep saying, shit is annoying. I said I'm done playing, The message delaying, so I gotta keep saying it. Shit is annoying. I said I'm done playing. The message delaying, so I gotta keep saying it. Shit is annoying. Shit is annoying.
KB.
Now they picker, now they picky. Go back to that icky. Nigga, you can barely hear me. This time round I ain't feeling that silly. They want you looking back when they don't know where you going, no. Did enough talking that streaming, nigga, let's go. Gotta do the shoot, let's put up in the camera. I might need another runner, put me on slow-mo. Fuck you, we not a secret, better share the shit. What you thought it was, we were the lame bitch. Gotta graduate, I feel like we held back. I don't like that feeling, people insane and shit. Oh, I make this for the art looking dumb as freak. Regret that whole sentence when she keep on creeping up. Economy volatile, better grab some cash flow in the ring, keep on spending dough. Turn this shit positive, you get an ROI. Sound so difficult and make you just wanna cry. Underground feel like a slap in the face to me. Fuck all your efforts, you blinded with us today. Put it in a song, fuck her back and forth. All the button press a simple agony. Far as I can see, repeat this ain't that reality. Give the world a sauce, still a recipe. Work in silence, they gon' feed for anything. Give the world a sauce, still a recipe. Work in silence, they gon' feed for anything.
Put it on my soul, fuck these stupid little politics. Never gave a hoot, whoop-de-whoop, now drop the shit. Why these stupid theories all around? Ay, I can speak how they want the best for us. Yeah, acting like some haters then, talking to you needleheads. Swipe that needle out your neck, my OD means I'm not your friend. Haters then, talking to you needleheads. Swipe that needle out your neck, my OD means I'm not your friend. Hey, nigga.
Are these
Bro,
niggas
don't even
idiots?
bother, man.
What you
I'm
mean?
talking to a wall that can't register information.
no,
Nah,
don't
don't even
keep
bother.
telling
It's
me
gonna be
fool.
a sad sight to see them turn.
I keep
But
fucking
if it's for the
telling
betterment of our minds,
kinda
I'm
calling
talking
them
to
a
a
brick
brick
wall.
wall.
So let's get it.
I mean, I've been saying that. Don't even bother, man. You're right. I shouldn't have to fucking explain myself for a goddamn thing. I'm tired. Like, I just want them all to fucking leave me, and I just fucking start from zero and try to start somewhere else and shit. Bitch. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back.
Put some more shit in the system. Turn it fast into hypocrites. You don't like me, you like suffering. You don't like us, you like suffering. You like redundancy, honestly. We need more urgency, honestly. Shut the fuck up out of culture. This shit let me trash on the vulture. I want them to suffocate. 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 I want them to suffocate.
I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back.
Regret is in the motherfucking option. I was in this shit before the saturation. Naughty madness, I let it out of progression. Keep on sniping, I will pop up like a weapon. Regret is in the motherfucking option. I was in this shit before the saturation. Naughty madness, I let it out of progression. Keep on sniping, I will pop up like a weapon.
I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. I'm gonna break some necks. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back. Stop trying to hold me back.
All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. Yeah. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. Right. You don't know me on my ghost, so shut the fuck up. You don't know me in person, so stop talking for me. Niggas wanted this shit since Mac days, They just sad as shit, so unfollow. I'll be looking for dominating the interface. I'll be looking for dominating a rap game. I'll be looking for firearms, cause fools be tripping. I'll be looking for dominating the bullshit. Little niggas need to shut the fuck up. Been wanted this shit since the Mac days. Niggas sad as shit, unfollow. Niggas just sad as shit, so unfollow. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. All these little niggas need to shut the fuck up. If you don't stop, I'ma punch you in your chin if you don't stop. Knock your ass out, leave you in the park. Bury your ass beside the ocean in a bar. Chesapeake Bay, drop your ass off at the dock. Stop playing with me. Your little glass ceilings won't work on this, nigga. You ain't seen this shit before. Fuck with me.
Anti.
Violent.
Landfill.
Young lost nigga, violent. Looking through the work, now you see why I'm wildin'. Young lost niggas, violent shit. We been treading light, now you see why we wildin'. Back to the drawing board, young bug. Visions of perfection got me bugging. Flooded, dudded. I was gonna be on some poet shit, nah, fuck it. Reminders going off in his head, still tucking. Hey, stressing over bars, play this shit like analytics. Could put you on the game, but his patience really ticking. Ticking time bomb, he don't want the pressure. Penny pinching mental. Wanna build a stop it, that's another topic. Hey, now the dude collect the scripture. Way to change the picture, darkness not for everyday shit. They don't get it, they don't need to. Misery poison, jam stands acting like the labels do. Like on lockdown, but I ain't even signing you. Yeah, I share the pain, now it seems the pain is y'all. The rest of us, we cool and working, gonna ball. We cool and working, gonna ball. Why y'all scared? Young lost nigga, why y'all land? Looking through the work, now you see why I'm wildin'. Young lost niggas, why y'all land shit? We been treading light, now you see why we wildin'. Young lost nigga, why y'all land? Looking through the work, now you see why I'm wildin'. Young lost niggas, why y'all land shit? We been treading light, now you see why we wildin'. Why y'all land? Why y'all land shit? Why y'all land? 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 Niggas, why y'all land? Now you see. I'm glad y'all can see now. Shit. High time, about time. End time. Yeah. What don't they understand? What don't they understand? The shifting landscapes. No, I can't relax. Sit and stagnate. Paycheck a net 60, let it fall down. I can't be mad at now. What don't they understand? What don't they understand? The shifting landscapes. No, I can't relax. Sit and stagnate. Paycheck a net 60, let it fall down. I can't be mad at now. Now I fall over. Roll around, drain no cup, fill it up. more than knowledge, we do better with the bag. Maximize the effort. See the industry, the bank niggas snoring. Working badges for the season, niggas snoring. Visuals, YouTube, niggas snoring. This internet, not the same, still snoring. Meanwhile, needleheads pay for whole shit. At the same time, learning how to push it. Constant, never ending like a wheel. If you only knew the anger I conceal. All this waiting, all this weird waiting. Like I waited for the whole damn band. Niggas in the cupboard don't like what it comes with. Obscurity if you ain't on it like neurotic. All this waiting, all this weird waiting. Like y'all waiting for the whole damn band. Niggas in the cupboard don't like what it comes with. Obscurity if you ain't on it like neurotic. All this waiting, all this weird waiting. Like y'all waiting for the whole damn band. Niggas in the cupboard don't like what it comes with. Obscurity if you ain't on it like neurotic. All this waiting, all this weird waiting. Like y'all waiting for the whole damn band. Niggas in the cupboard don't like what it comes with. Obscurity if you ain't on it like neurotic. All this waiting, all this weird waiting, waiting. Whole damn band, damn band. Obscurity if you ain't on it. Hey.
They just want the needles on in them. Fuck is wrong with them? Put them in the jacket, corner them. Mental water in them. Stifle body movement, strap them up. Ain't no moving now. There it was, understand commercial, bringing in child. Spooky niggas blocking bags, already blocking up my damn self. Unsigned in the panic, growing up. Fuck the shelf. Ignoring this sewer, crawling out to see the middle of. Sad niggas, hashtagging movies, yelling go back. All back, roll back, rewind, slow down. You don't want that. I ain't loopy with the clowns. I was 18, 19, now I'm grown. See, while I get the best, switching up and stuff for therapy. But my soul back, savage soldier man, full attack. Domination was the plan, sidetrack, sideways. Follow hit race, sitting sneaky with his bitch ways. Yelling at the wall so loud that we conversate. Gotta serve folks, Syringe no more, man, just bad for a nigga. I ain't had to touch it, but you hearing me, nigga. They don't give a fuck, they wanna drug us, nigga. Gotta serve folks, Syringe no more, man, just bad for a nigga. I ain't had to touch it, but you hearing me, nigga. They don't give a fuck, they wanna drug us, nigga. Gotta serve folks, Syringe no more, man, it's bad for a nigga. I ain't had to touch it, but you hearing me, nigga. They don't give a fuck, they wanna drug us, nigga.